Hello, yeah, my name is Zuhair and I'll be doing the third assignment for this course. The first task is to modify file permissions. My file.txt can be used your ch1 command. I'll create the file first. Wait a second. I'll create the folder first. Folder has been created, then I'll create a file and I'll verify if the folder has been created or not. So you can see a folder has been created with the file named as myfile.txt. Then the first task is to change the permissions of the file. Yes, I'll change the permissions of the file by running this command chmod 644 and confirm them. And yes, I can see here like it was rw like read write and read. Now it's read write and read. So the permissions have been changed. To verify permissions, confirm changes. This command shows. Yeah, so I'll run the other commands. This one first, then this one, then confirm and see. So yeah, you can see the permissions have been changed from this to this by using these commands. Uh, yeah, it has given full permissions to the owner. Now I'll be using the who am I command to see who the user is. So who am I? And yeah, it shows my name because I'm the user. The next task is to give permissions to a new user. So and confirm. Yeah, so this command shows that the permissions for the file the owner has been switched from Zuhair to the new user. So yeah, this is complete too. Now I'll explore the disk usage. Yeah, so I'll check that how much that folder is taking up in the disk, how much storage it's taking. And yeah, you can see that it's taking around 4 kbs as of now because there's only one file in this folder. The next task is to create multiple files. Yeah, so just running this command will make multiple files. To confirm, yeah, so you can see file 1.txt, file 2, file 3, file 4 and file 5. All these files have been created in the folder. The next step is to compress the directory using the tar command. So I can use this command to create a compressed folder and then I can confirm to see if it exists or not. And I can see that it does exist, and I can confirm it by using the file explorer as well. You can see that my new folder tar.gz has been created. And lastly, I have to change the understand. I have to change permissions for the folder, so I'll do that as well. and this one as well. So yeah, I can see that all these permissions are have been stated here, and that's for step 4 as well. Step 5 is to reflect on the process. Yeah, so in total I've learned a few commands that allowed me to change the permissions for the file, like what the owner can and cannot do, like create an exe file or read or write or do most of the things with the file. I've also learned how to uh, change permissions from one user to another, and the du command also taught me that I can see how much the folder uh, takes up in the disk. So for example, here I can see that it has taken around 4 kbs in the disk, and the tar command allowed me to create a compressed folder for all the folders and files I was making. So yeah, that's what I've learned from this assignment. So that's all.